really working on my posture because I sit like a dude. Like I always sit like this. I look like a girl in Polar Express.
No, 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 no.
Okay, we're gonna start this over. Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hannah Monet. So today we're going to be getting into a little bit of my workout routine. A lot of people have been asking me what my workout routine is. What do I do when I go to the gym, specifically on leg day? So I'm going to be taking you guys to the gym with me. But first, I'm going to show you guys what I take to the gym with me and how I prep for the gym. So first things first, I do like to drink like my protein shakes, protein smoothies, whatever you want to call them. I do like to make those. What? What am I trying to say? So I am on a weight gain journey, so I do like to use protein powders that actually focus on gaining weight. Right now I'm actually using the Serious Mass protein powder. I'm like a kid, I lose my train of thought so fast. Oh my gosh. What was I gonna say? Okay, so the first thing that I take to the gym with me is my waist trainer. Now my waist trainer looks like this. It's actually, you can find this on Amazon, anywhere. I really like this one more than the ones that you just zip up, just because it has two straps on it. So you have your initial strap that you put around your waist, but you also have another one to tighten it even more. So next thing I take to the gym with me is my resistant bands. Now I actually got this pack from Walmart. It was really cheap. It was probably like $10. Blue, of course, is the lightest one, or it's like the easiest, I guess, to like stretch out. Just the medium. Gray is the hardest. I take the gray just because to me these don't do anything for me. Like I don't feel like I'm actually working out when I actually take these. If I do take these, it'll only be because I use two resistant bands at once, and then I'll take the medium and the hard one. But I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to the gym with me, so I'll see you guys there. Bye. Bye, friend. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I get in the gym is I either run or I get on the stair machine. So today I got on the stair machine. On a good day, I'll be on this for like 15 minutes for a warm up, 15 to 20 minutes. But today I only did 10 minutes. Okay, so right after the warm up, I go ahead and jump into a light workout first before I get into the real workout. So I'm gonna start with these donkey kicks. I usually do 3 sets of 15 per leg. Now, of course, you can do them without the resistant bands, but I recommend you use the resistant bands. I just feel like you get a better result when you do use those. Okay, so after the donkey kicks, I'm gonna go ahead and get into these medicine ball squats. With these, I do like to still, again, wear my resistant bands. Now, with these, I like to kind of place my feet facing outward a little bit. With you doing that, it really just focuses more on the glutes and your hips when you squat like that. I'm gonna make sure I go down as far as I possibly can, and I'm gonna do 3 sets of 25 with these. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing these kneel to stand squats. To start in a kneeling position, you're going to stand, but you're going to make sure you keep your knees at a 90-degree angle, if that makes sense. So right here, you know, after I stand from the kneeling position, stand all the way up, and then squat, that's considered 1. And I'm going to be doing 3 sets of 10 with these. Now it is optional to use the resistant band while you're doing these kneel to stand squats. The only issue is that certain resistant bands are going to give you a little bit of trouble with that kneel to stand part of this workout. So if it gets a little too frustrating, I just take mine off and I just do it without it. Okay, so now we're going to be going to the hip abductor machine. Now, I do like to keep my resistant bands on with these. Now, when I do machines on leg day, I try and start off on the highest weight I could possibly go on and then just reduce it throughout the 3 sets that I do. Okay, so now we're going to be on the glute kickback machine. I like to try and do the highest weight I can possibly go. Going to be doing 3 sets of 15 on each leg. I don't usually take a break in between because you're already taking a break because you're only using 1 leg per workout. So okay, so next we're going to be on the cable leg press machine. Now I'm going to be doing first with both of my legs 3 sets of 15. Now I did realize halfway through this that I was not properly on this. You actually need to make sure your seat is as low as it can go, so you're really using all your force to push yourself up. Now on each leg I actually try and do either the least weight possible or no weight at all, but again 3 sets of 15 on each leg. So next I'm going to be on the Smith station machine. Now this one I don't use that much weight because I'm really worried about form more than I am about the weights. Now I do like to put a bench underneath me, so I'm basically doing seated squats, and then of course, like I said, just the resistant bands once again. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to be on the loaded leg press machine. Now, starting off, this is pretty much the same as the cable leg press. So I'm starting off with 2 legs first. I'm doing 3 sets of 20. Now, after I get done with those, I am doing 1 leg again. Now, the sled is actually heavy enough for me that I don't need weights when I do 1 leg by itself. So I like to take all the weights off and just do that. And again, it's going to be the same. So it's going to be 3 sets of 20 as well. Okay, so after I get done working out, I'll usually just jump on the treadmill and do like a light walk, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, 10 minutes at the most. So after the whole workout, especially on leg day, if you have the black card at Planet Fitness, then you know about like the hydro bed massages or the hydro chairs. So I like the hydro bed just because it really loosens me up after a really hard leg day. So as you can see the settings on here, you can go up on the pressure, you can decide where it focuses on. I like to go all the way up to the highest pressure, which is 10 that it allows you to do. And I'll do 1 bed, I'll do 1 session on my back so it can get the back side of my legs. Then I'll go back to the front so they can turn the bed back on, and I'll lay on the bed facing forward so it can get my quads too, because after leg day, if I don't stretch and I don't hydro bed, I'm gonna be hurting so bad the next day. So all right, you guys, so that's pretty much everything that I do at the gym on leg day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to see any more videos like this or see me do any other type of videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.